Hey y'all, what's up? Brian the Divine Healer here with you. Gonna do a random reading. Any sign, all signs, random kitchen reading, right? So let's get into this here and see what's going on. Just feeling compelled to do a universal kind of reading for anybody and everybody. So let's just see what the message is. Cusps or not, it doesn't matter. All signs. All right, let's get this going. Nope, a little too soon for all that. But because it is random, we'll take them before I even got to shuffle. Okay. We'll see what goes on with this. I'll shuffle one more time and then we'll see what these cards are about. Looks like 4. Let's see. Bottom's the top. Top is the bottom. There you go. Nine of Wands. Ace of Cups. Well, it kind of looks like somebody had put this brand new beginning behind them. Yep, Ace of Cups, brand new beginning. 9 of Wands, putting things behind you, overcoming barriers, blockages, and obstacles, right? Could be. Let's just put that here, and let's see what these other cards are about. Yep, Empress, King of Wands, air and fire energy. Wow. That is kind of specific for somebody. Okay. Let's keep going. Queen of Wands. Right, a little sassy, huh? So, whoever you are, it looks like you've put some of these burdens behind you, right? When it comes to this brand new start in love, right? And with the Empress card here, there's a little bit of self-care involved, right? A little nurturing, loving yourself, kind of. And you're kind of like, I would say that you are, looking out towards the future, possibly with this Queen of Wands person, okay? No, I can't. You see these cards? It's random, so we'll take them. Wow. 10 of Swords. Lies, betrayals, backstabbing. We'll do this. Okay, it's a different setup because it's a random kitchen read, right? All right, so we'll just see what that looks like. Here comes the next card. Yeah, okay, so 10 of Pentacles, abundance, happiness, family, building stability, heartbreak, hurt. Yeah. 4 of Pentacles. Somebody's holding on to this kind of hurt. It's heartbreak because of some betrayals. Possibly with the Queen of Wands energy. Here's a Tower. Boom. Oh yeah, news. I don't do reversals. There's a Tower. All right. So look, this new start is burdensome, and this Empress had put it behind them because they were looking out towards their future, building their stability, possibly towards this Queen of Wands energy that had bring some betrayal, deceit, backstabbing, lies to the stability that was going to be with this brand new start, causing a whole bunch of heartache and hurt that this Empress is holding on to, causing a Tower. Random read, there's a card. Okay, so this was slotted to happen. This is meant to happen. And you had mixed emotions about it. Or you were living in a fantasy world. One of the two. However it's going to fit, how it's going to relate. But that's what's on the plate. Confused about this brand new start, right? This brand new road to abundance, right? A little confusing on this whole idea of stability. And this gives you major anxiety and stress. Wow. Pretty heavy read for somebody, okay? So this is definitely slotted to happen because of the betrayals and the deceit and the lies towards the stability with this Empress, possibly this Queen of Wands energy, fit how you're going to fit. But the new start has been put behind because it is fated. That's the Tower. The Tower is the fate. The fate leaves you confused on why this isn't happening the way maybe you envisioned it with the King of Wands. And so now you are having anxiety and stress about why this Ace of Pentacles, this follow the yellow brick road, as I coined the term. Why is this not happening? Okay, so this is the story, my friends. We're going to get into the outcome, and that's going to be it. Like I said, it's a random kitchen read for somebody, for all signs. Here's your first card of your outcome. Emperor. So this person was your Emperor to the Empress, soulmate, and that's Judgment. Yeah, that's Judgment. Well, isn't that fancy? It wasn't too vague, it was pretty specific. But Judgment is here, so the Emperor has been the one that was leaving these mixed emotions, the heartbreak, the one that actually caused the betrayals, which possibly I really feel it is this Queen of Wands towards this Empress. The Empress really was looking out into the future and trying to, see that long-term stability here, but got hurt in that process, holding on to that hurt. So the Tower comes, and that's your fate. And that fate leaves you in this kind of bewildered, mixed emotions feeling of like kind of what happened, thrown off about this new start, and you having much anxiety and stress about it because it is with your Emperor, and this is Judgment. Yeah. Sorry about that, but like I said, all signs, all stars, that's you guys. Random kitchen read. So this has been your reading. I know it's short and sweet, but it looks like it's going to hurt for somebody. And that somebody is this Empress. So I wish you well, and I will definitely see you again. Maybe do some affirmations and meditations, because that will definitely help you get out of this hurt energy and the stress and anxiety over your Emperor, who you thought was. So that being said, my friends, I hope you have a great day. Peace and pray. We'll definitely see you again.